My name's Dre Hubbard. I went through here at Elite Welding Academy back in 2009 when I was transitioning from being laid off from the Batavia Ford transmission plant to the Sharonville transmission plant. While I was here in '09, I had an intense pipe welding program that I was in. It was pretty intense, 7 to 3:30 pretty much every day. I got a lot out of it. I was burning rods pretty much 8 hours a day. So I get more out of Elite Welding Academy than I actually do out of my own job. So honestly, coming here is more beneficial to me than working at my job, because I'm doing more welding here than I'm actually doing at my job. I'm just trying to use some common sense. If we have apprentices here at this job and they went through a 16-week program that was supposed to be so intensified or so good, like they literally can't weld pipe. I literally had a journey person tell me, I don't know. If anything, it should be, I will get back to you, I will find out, let me talk to somebody who can help us out with this situation. I know that I won't end up being a journey person with I don't know in my vocabulary. The instructors here at Elite Welding Academy actually get it, any and everything about welding. Safety first, then welding. I'm telling the union and the company, I need to go to Elite Welding Academy, because instructors, they're not gonna let you advance unless you master that. This place is not gonna let you just get by.